It's giving. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aquia for those of you who are new, and for those of you who aren't, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and stay a while. I would love to have you here. But today's video is going to be a wig installation and review. Alipearl was kind enough to send me this beautiful wig you see on my head. So I'll be installing it for you guys and letting you know my thoughts on this hair. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Before we get started, I just wanted to show you guys what comes in the box when you order this wig. So first we have this nice satin blue scarf that you can use to lay down your hair, a wig cap, another scarf that you can use for your hair. I love the fact that they're both satin. You also get a pair of lashes that you can use after your install and look cute, an elastic band, an edge brush, and a nice bag to put your wig in for travel purposes. Lastly, an instruction manual on how to wash your wig. Okay, starting off, as you guys can see already, I already have a pre-tinted wig cap on my head. This is something that I like to do. I don't like doing the ball cap method because I don't sleep in wigs, so I be tinting my wig caps prior to wig installation. So I'm taking this eyeshadow color from my Morphe eyeshadow palette, and I'm just tinting the lace with that color so that it can blend seamlessly. I'll have all the products that I use to tint the lace in the description, so make sure to check that out if you need help in that area. So I'm taking my Got2b freeze spray, and I'm just going to be setting what I tinted with this freeze spray so it doesn't move and, you know, get around and get messy. After that, I'm just putting the wig on my head and getting it ready for installation. So moving forward to installing the wig, I'm going to be using the black Got2b glue gel to lay down the wig. I do not use no type of glue to lay down wigs. I had a bad experience one time with glue and I never went back. When I tell you, it's not worth losing your edges, and I'm not going to do it. I'm so sorry. I'm not going to use no Ghost Bond, no freeze, I don't even know what they call them, but I don't use glue. I refuse. So I just use Got2b glue, and honestly it lasts for me. It never lifts, so yeah. Now I'm using the elastic band to secure the lace and secure the wig down even more, and I feel like that combination, I do this all the time. I feel like using Got2b glue and using my elastic band just does the job. I don't understand using glue to like have a week-long install. Personally, I do not sleep in wigs. Normalize not sleeping in wigs because why? For what reason? But you know, it's okay. You guys do what you want to do. I just don't do it. I don't care. As you guys can see, the parting is a bit wide. I overbleached the knots, so I'm going to be taking this black eyeshadow and filling in the parts where I overbleached it so that the part looks less wide and more narrow. So I'm going to be taking off the elastic band to cut the lace. I will say that since I don't use glue, my wig installation process is more strenuous to say the least. I have to do more steps because I don't use glue, so that's the only downfall. But as you guys can see, I'm using my razor blade to cut the lace in a zigzag motion. After I finish cutting the lace, I'm going to take, you guys are going to see that I'm going to take an eyeshadow shade from my eyeshadow palette and use it to tint the lace even more now that it's on my head. And then after that, I'm going to take my Got2b freeze spray and I'm going to spray that down.
and then I'm gonna put the elastic band back on my head, and then I'm gonna take the eyeshadow to make my part even more narrow because girl, it's still wide. I know you guys are looking at me like, what the heck is this part? Like, what's going on here? But sis, don't worry. You guys saw in the beginning. Just trust the process, okay? But I'm gonna let you guys watch and see how I do everything. Not me all up in y'all's face like this, excuse me, but we're gonna be doing the baby hairs now. I'm so zoomed in. I'm so sorry, you guys. Don't mind my oily skin, and I'm breaking out. I literally have clear skin only 1 week out of the month, but whatever. So I'm gonna be doing the baby hairs now. You guys, when it comes to baby hairs, listen, I don't have the privilege of doing the baby hairs to my eyebrows. I just can't. The way my forehead is set up, it won't allow it because it would just look idiotic. So I like to do very minimal baby hairs. Don't get me wrong, the girlies who can pull it off, y'all look really good, y'all look beautiful, I love it for you. It's just not for me, you know. Everything is not for everyone, and that's just not for me, so I'm not gonna do it. Like I said, I like to do very minimal baby hairs. Sometimes I don't even do baby hairs, but I'm just gonna be messing around with that. You guys can see the struggle on my face because it was coming out too thick, and I just did not like that. I feel like when it comes to baby hair, you really have to do things that mirror your own natural baby hairs, because if you do all that extra shenanigan, it's just gonna look stupid. That's just my opinion. After I do the baby hairs, I'm gonna be defining the part with my concealer so that the part is not giving balding, okay? We don't do wide parts out here, narrow parts only. But yeah, I'm just gonna let you guys watch the process of how I do that, because honestly, I think this is the hardest part for me, but you live and you learn. And also, I did not tweeze the closure of this wig. I should have, now that I'm watching it over, but I'm gonna do that another time. I guess I was being lazy. But yeah, sometimes I feel like with curly hair or more wavy hair, you can kind of get away with not tweezing just a little bit, not all the time. But this hair, I feel like straight out the box, I did have to wash and condition it as always, but straight out the box, if you don't know how to tweeze or you prefer not to, you could. So I really appreciate that about this wig.
Okay guys, so I'm so sorry for the lighting. I just finished with installing and doing the baby hairs on the wig. Yeah, I just wanted to check in so you guys can see what is giving, because it's giving. I don't know if you guys can tell, like the front like right here, since I over bleached it, I think I had to put like more eyeshadow right here so it's like it doesn't look as blonde, but for the most part I think it looks pretty decent, pretty good. So yeah, I'm gonna do my makeup, get cute, and come back on camera, and you guys will get my final thoughts and review.
I lied, I'm gonna come back after this clip. I just wanted to show you guys what I'm doing with the closure part. So I'm gonna be taking my Luster's wax stick, literally my go-to. I love that wax stick, it's just the best. And I'm gonna be taking my hot comb, and I'm just gonna be pressing down the closure. I'm gonna be pressing down both sides, the left side and the right side, as well as the back, just so I can ensure that everything is nice and flat.
Okay guys, this is the final look with the wig installed. It's giving, I don't care what nobody says, it's giving. Like, are you kidding me? Like, look how pretty. Ah! Sorry. You guys, sorry, I'm hype. Okay, but no, for real though, like, come on, y'all. Yeah, to give my honest opinion, I think this wig is super beautiful. I washed and conditioned it and it was no tangles. I did get a little bit of shedding. It was just a few pieces here and there, but that's normal. Like I said, and like I will always continue to say, hair sheds, so that's normal. This wig is very soft. Even straight out the packaging, I was like, what the heck? Like, this wig is so soft. Well, I was worried about it tangling like in the nape, but it hasn't tangled thus far. Then again, I do not sleep in wigs and I don't plan on sleeping in this wig. If you like to wear wigs or you wear wigs often, I really recommend that you don't sleep in your wigs, just because I feel like that's too much tension on your hairline and too much damage to the wig. If you want your wigs to last longer, definitely do not sleep in it. But that's just my opinion. I don't know what you guys think, but yeah, I'll have all the information for the exact wig that I have on in the description below, so definitely check that out if you're interested in purchasing. Thank you, Alipearl Hair, for choosing me to collaborate with you all. I really appreciate it. Thank you for this lovely piece of beauty on my head. I can't say it enough. But yeah, that's it for today's video, you guys. Let me know your thoughts on this wig, if you like it, if you don't like it, if you're interested in buying it. If you have any other questions that I might have missed in this whole video, please feel free to leave them down in the description below and I'll make sure to answer it for you. So that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Island girl. It's giving island girl. Island girl. Island girl. Island girl. Island girl. Me no picky English. No English. Only a bunny. A bunny. Me no picky English. Is it picky or speaky? I don't know. I think it's speaky actually, now that I think about it. Me no speaky English. No English. Only a bunny. A bunny.